Need to fix PlayStation network server connection error? Then you're on the right video. I'm gonna guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you have to check whether the server is down or not. Move into any of the browser and in the search bar you need to search for PlayStation outage. Tap on allow. Now you need to head over to PlayStation status. Head over to the very first site. In this page, you will be able to check whether the server of PlayStation is down or not. Right now, it looks all fine, but for you, if the server is down, then all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. And then only you'll be good to go. If not, try checking the internet connection. Move into Wi-Fi. Well, you have to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. If not, you can try using cellular data as well. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store on your device. Inside App Store, in the search bar, search for PlayStation app. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're having this issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Once you have got the updated version of the application PlayStation, now the next thing you want to do is try uninstalling the app. Tap on remove app and then click on delete app. Once deleted, reinstall the application. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.